Well, we made it to Galveston, Texas, here on the coast. It's been up and down weather-wise, but it's a lot better than where we came from. But I did want to give you guys an update from one of our previous videos shot a few weeks ago about our slide breaking and the cable on the slide breaking. When we got to Galveston, we found out it had broken again in the same exact spot, and also another slide broke at the very top as well. So I had two of them this time, and obviously something was catching, so we had to do a little bit more. But I did learn a few things from the first video, from the first repair that I did with those wire slides, and I was just going to kind of give you guys an update on how I did that. Going forward, it's a lot easier. It only took me about 2 hours to do both of them this time. Yeah, I've already fixed the two slides, but it was a lot easier this time to do these, just from a couple tips that I had learned for some people and so forth. So I was just going to show you guys that real fast. So one thing that I did learn is I got an RV slide jack. The first one we did, we left the slide completely open, and it made it very difficult to get in there and pull that wire through those pulley systems. What we found out is if I just open the slide about halfway, enough to get up into the top of there, and then use one of these slide jacks that you can get on Amazon. I think they're about 70 bucks for a pair. I was able to do it myself when Tara had the kids and she was gone. I was able to jack up that slide, and then I knew that there was no pressure on the slide, and it made it much easier to just fish that wire. I didn't even have to use the little netting that I used the first time. So that was awesome. And so that's really the big update on that, is get yourself some of these slide jacks and open the slide up about halfway. It makes your life way easier. And so also what I found out was it was catching on the little piece of plastic. As it slid in here, there's a little, yeah, you can kind of see it. This is plastic, hard plastic. And so it was actually fraying that wire, and it busted again. It busted right here. So I went around to every slide and I cut those holes bigger. I'm hoping that solves the problem. But yeah, so that's just a quick update on that video in case you guys have those cable slides and you watch that video and it's tough for you too. That made it a heck of a lot easier. So now we're gonna go explore a little bit of the island. Sorry for the lawnmowers in the background. But we're gonna go explore the island, do a couple things here, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Where are they?
There's one in the water.
Oh my gosh. And then there's at least three under that tree. Hit it, Rudy. Hit it. You got it. Hit it. Oh. Watch your nose.
You just barely hit it. Like that. And then you hit it back this way. And then you hit it that way. And I'll hit it this way.
There you go. Hit it, Bubba. Stay on your side and hit it. This is our third year in a row to winter in Galveston, or do January, February-ish.
Yeah, and it's probably just going to
Galveston.
be, what, February this year.
Yeah, we didn't get here until the end of January, so so just the month of February here. But we just came to this little spot, the Little Buffalo Grill.
Yeah.
And this is like in the Moody Gardens area.
It's really
I
pretty.
don't know what this neighborhood is called, but this neighborhood is like crazy, y'all. It is. These people have some money, let's just say that. But anyways, it's a beautiful little area. little shops and coffee places and that little restaurant. It was really good. Look at this cookie that we're gonna enjoy later.
Yep, so we're just gonna today go around and just
enjoy the nice weather.
Yeah.
It rained as soon as we got here and it was cold, and then it's gonna rain next week, so we're gonna enjoy today.
Yep, so we're just gonna go around Galveston, kind of doing some stuff, maybe go back to the park in a little bit. They have putt-putt and stuff there for the kids, so.
That is swinging high.
I think I'm just gonna throw you in the water.
Bubba's chilling. He's on a sugar high. Rudy's going crazy, and Arla's ready for bed.
Oh, he'll come out of it here in a couple minutes. What? Look down in that water.
Nope. No, Arlo. Don't do it, or else I'll throw Dad in the water.
I bet there's one right there.
No, there is not.
How would you guys feel if for this year's like big vacation, or one of them, if we went on this giant ship in front of you?
Oh, yeah, it will feel great.
Can you see it, Beba?
Yeah. Yes. No, I can. Oh, yes, I can. It's like super big.
Yeah.
Would y'all, do you feel like you would be okay on a ship that big in the ocean?
Yes. Yes.
No, it's the orange thing.
Look at that, guys.
Is that a roller coaster?
Yeah.
No, that's a ropes course. Yeah, that's a ropes course. Wow. Yeah, that is a ropes course. That's the water slides.
Say.
I don't want an ice cream.
A what?
I don't want an ice cream.
Ice cream?
Okay.
No.
Yes, we're gonna share.
Yeah, I'm gonna share with
It'll be easy.
Too. Oh!
Oh, so close.
Four!
Four.
Yes! Okay, give mommy the club.
I don't know where they released them to, but they had 3 babies this last winter thing, and they had those up in the office too.
Wow.
That's so big.
What do you think? Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, it is so big.
Babe, you gotta
This is-
come up here.
This is Mr. and Mrs. Humphreys.
How did you even get here?
How did they get here? You know what? I don't know.
Well, I was standing right here when I was walking.
When you were golfing and you didn't even see them? Oh, for heaven's sake. They were right there.
Isn't that cool?
But see, maybe they hadn't come out of the hole. Yeah. So they live right under here.
Wow, look at that,
They
guys.
live under this one.
Uh-huh. Right, this is their hole, yep. And don't ever put your hands in there, because you know what? They can bite.
Yeah.
So don't put your hands in there, because they don't know that your finger isn't supper.
Is the female
That is
the small
cool.
one?
Uh-huh.
That's pretty neat.
And they had babies.
Yep. Oh, yeah, every year.
Every year. Oh my god.
I think they've had them for 14 years. I think, you know how many
Holy
years.
cow.
Yeah, they've had them a long.
Just happened?
I got a hole in one.
No.
You got a hole in one.
I sure did. Look at that one.
This is stupid. I hate it.
Yeah. So Tara thought that she could hang with me.
I'm done.
Turns out she can't.
There was one hole and I hit it like 8 times. Yep, that's right, baby. Check it out. Hole in one.
Yeah, so right after mine, I walked off and she all of a sudden got one too.
What? It was legit. I'm not a liar or a cheater.
It was legit. Hole in one.
Okay.
So Tara got a hole-in-one on the next hole, which is, she's trying, but she's so far behind.
Stand under it.
I did lose two.
It lost a tooth?
Hey, I'm gonna go up there and buy ice cream.
You're not gonna go buy ice cream.
Yeah, buy it.
We'll see you later then.
Alright, so we're back in the house now. We had a pretty cool day. We got to play putt-putt, went and explored a little bit of Galveston. And
Right now we're doctoring a boo-boo. Show everybody your boo-boo. How'd you get that? Because to be inside the helicopter at the playground was not enough. They had to climb to the very top of
Then I couldn't.
it. You just,
She cut it.
you cutted your finger? Ouch.
Alright, well now we are gonna make some awesome hamburgers.
Okay,
If
we're
you
gonna go
guys
here.
ever want a good recipe for hamburgers, just 80-20 with a little bit of head country. It's 3 pounds of meat to every 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And then I use head country seasoning as well, because I'm a head country fan. This is what it looks like before. So you just spread it out and make your patties. Usually I do like a cup. I just put it in a cup and we'll make some hamburgers. Oh yeah. Well,
Yummy, as usual. You guys, this is seriously a no-fail
yeah.
recipe. Best hamburgers ever.
How is it? Good?
Where do you have mustard?
All right, so we just wrapped up our day. So hope you guys. Yeah, we're tired.
We are gonna eat and probably watch a movie to end the night.
That's right. So yeah, we're here in Galveston for the next 3 weeks or so, and then we're not sure what we're doing yet, but we will figure it out. So yeah, until next week. See you later.
Cheers.
Peace.